Connecting Workhorse 2-inch panels together with drift pins. A pallet of panels arrives on site. Little nubs on the back of the panels keep them neatly stacked. The panels weigh only 34 pounds and are easy to move. They are held upright to make it easier to install the drift pins. If only one person were doing the installation, they could be laid face down on the ground. 2 drift pins are used to connect adjoining panels. They're just tapped in place.
There we go.
It is convenient to connect 4 panels into one section. The 4-panel section is then laid down. The next 4-panel section is assembled just the same way. However, this time you have the benefit of working on the smooth, firm surface of the previous panels. While Workhorse path can be laid over smooth but unimproved ground, long-term installations benefit if the ground has been graded and properly prepared using appropriate drainage materials. Once assembled, the next 4-panel section is slid into position. A 4-foot path like this is made by just adding section after section. Pinning the panels together in sections assures that they stay in proper alignment. The sections are joined to each other with 2 2.5-inch number 10 stainless steel screws. A good spot to insert the screws is the second hole in from each side. It is more efficient if the pallet of panels is moved along as the work progresses. To pick up the path, remove the screws connecting the section. Then tip a section up and tap out the drift pins. As the panels are separated off, they can be neatly stacked back on a pallet. If multiple rows of panels are being installed, it's helpful to stagger the sections. For example, if the first row has 5 panels in the first section, the second row would start with 4 panels in the section. After that, all the sections would have the same number of panels. You'll find more information at workhorsegs.com.